In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a shape to exact dimensions in Canva following their latest update. Let's dive right in and make sure you achieve those precise dimensions you're aiming for. We'll start by making sure you're logged into Canva and have a new or existing design open where you'd like to add and customize a shape. Once you're all set with that, head over to the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard where you'll see several options, including the Elements tab. Is typically down the menu and very easy to find, so go ahead and click on that. This area houses a wide range of design elements, including the shapes we'll be using today. After selecting elements, a search bar will appear at the top of the panel. Type in shapes to filter the results specifically to the shape options offered by Canva. This search feature is incredibly helpful for narrowing down your options quickly, providing an assortment of shapes like squares, circles, triangles, and more that you can select for your design. With the list of shapes now in front of you, click on Shapes to view all the available options. You'll see a variety of designs. Pick the one that best fits your needs for this particular project. For instance, if you need a rectangle to frame something in your design, choose the rectangular shape that appeals to you. Once you've picked your shape, click, drag and drop it onto your design canvas. It's as simple as clicking on the desired shape, holding the mouse button down and sliding it over to your canvas. Drop it in place by releasing the mouse button to insert it into your design. Now that your shape is part of your project, let's resize it to meet your exact needs. You'll notice that your shape is surrounded by a border with little circles at each corner. These circles are your resizing handles. Click and drag these handles to adjust the size of your shape. You can make it larger or smaller depending upon what fits best within your design. As you drag, Canva will show you the dimensions of the shape in real time, which is extremely useful for ensuring accuracy. Through these simple steps, you can resize any shape to the specific dimensions you require in Canva, allowing for precise customization within your projects. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation, or any other type of design, knowing how to manipulate shapes effectively can make all the difference in obtaining professional results. Keep practicing these steps and you'll soon become proficient at navigating Canva's interface with ease. Happy designing!